Hello, welcome to DK Boljat. I am tapping in some sand on this coast picture. It's a little bit darker than the sand that's behind it here. There we go. And tap it all the way around the side. I'm using a little fan brush, and I'm glad you're here with me. This is a 10/0 fan brush, and the sand color will evolve over time, I'm sure. And I've got a little bit in the foreground here. I'm going to get that too. I'm glad you joined me. This is oil paint going over acrylic, and I'm just tapping it onto this canvas. So I get my canvases from Blick, and they are, you can go in there and pick them out, or you can buy them online. But they're Premier, and they're very well made. Very happy with them. A little bit of sand over here. Get it around the sides here. There we go. And I can touch up a little bit of the stuff in the background. This is going to be closer to what I just put on there. There we go. There we go. I'll just tap that color in. It's it's raw umber, titanium white, and raw sienna for sand. And the sand actually has a little bit of green in it as well, but I'm not going to put that in yet. There's a little bit over here, and I don't need it to be this dark. I'll go lighter. There we go. Okay. And over the side. I'm just tapping it with oil paint on it. That's good. Going a little bit lighter with the sand. Just tapping across. What I don't want to do is have the brush angle be like that, because I will end up having it look more like something else rather than sand. There you go. I'll get some lighter up here too, where that it's going to catch the eye. I'll get that. Different layers of settled sand. There we go. Okay, and then there's sand coming off of here too, but I'm going to make it less. It's not going to be as bright. We'll dull it down a little bit with that raw umber. It's going right over acrylic. There we go. And I've got some of the darker raw umber color that's going to come down here in the foreground, where it's sort of now ground, just maybe compacted sand. Okay, need it to be a little darker. So I'm adding more raw umber. I'll leave the green part showing through. It's something growing in the sand, I think. There we go. And that comes right up to this edge here. And what I'm going to want to do is let this dry. Once I get this on here, I'll let it dry. I'll go for another round. Which it'll take about, I don't know, 3 or 4 days to dry. This is oil paint. There we go. You get it in this part that's white. I am so glad you joined me for this video. And I look forward to painting with you again. I hope you enjoy and like this video, and I hope that you subscribe to TK Boljat if you like seeing the videos of painting. There we go. Going here with ground. Okay. I think that might be good for today. I'm just going to blend this edge a little bit with a Q-tip. Or fade it out a little bit. There we go. And we'll come back into painting this again at a later day. I'm going to let it dry for now. So thank you for joining me for this video, and please like and subscribe. Yeah, please like this channel and subscribe to DK Boljat. God bless you.